Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna work on extending our title effect. Okay, let's get to it. So let's bring out a clip so we have something to work with. And this is one of my favorite. Anyway, alright, so let's go over to our title effect library. You go down to the tab title right here, and if you don't have this out, just have to go up here, the effect library, click on it, and there you have it. So go to this tab here and choose a effect. Let's say this one. Let's just say this one. Okay, name your title. I show you the video on this tutorial way before. I did it manually, but this time I figured another way where you can do it much easier than before. So let's start by putting your title. Say fancy baby, I don't know, oops, fancy baby. So it's important that you have your title and everything set and the way you wanted it. Okay, you can always adjust the position later, doesn't matter, but what matters is you must have your title ready. Okay, so when you're done with that, so what's the purpose of this video? Well, okay, you notice the title effect. It come in and then that's it. It's pretty short. Actually, this one doesn't have the ending. Let me find the one with the ending. Let's say, where's my box title? Yeah, let's use this one instead. This one, you can see it much clearer. So it come in and then it should go out. What's going on? It come in and then it go out. Okay, but you notice it's kind of short, right? It's short, but you want to make the title last at least up to this end of the clip. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's label a title. Okay, fancy baby. Okay, and baby, whatever. Okay, so you have this you have your title label. It's important that you have a label, because otherwise once you convert it, you won't able to change it anymore. So right now, just go to this clip, right click, and change it into a compound clip. Okay, click create. You can label whatever you want, but I'm assuming it's changed into a video clip. Okay, once you change to compound clip, you can actually treat it like it's a video clip, so you're able to use these options here. So like I said in my previous video, I showed you how to extend the title using freeze frame, but I did it in a way where I cut it and everything, so that kind of complicated. So for today, we're gonna use retime control, which gonna make it much easier. Okay, so what you do now, okay, just right click and go down to retime control. Okay, so that will bring up a little spot here, which is data and everything. Okay, so on retime control, I want you to find the endpoint, which is right here. It have a complete full animation of your title, right? So from here, just go down to this little icon right here, or this little tab right here. Click on it and add speed point. So that will, actually you don't have to add speed point, Yeah, it's better you add speed point. Just add a speed point right here, and then on this tab again, I want you to go to freeze frame. Okay, because this is the part where I want the frame to be freeze. So add freeze frame. Now I have this part added to it. This part will be a freeze frame. Okay, and then when you get to right here, it ends. Okay, so how you know how far to extend? So no worry. So in the beginning, let's make sure if you're happy with the title coming in at this speed. If you don't like, if this is not the speed that you wanted, no worry. Just go down to this little tab here on this box, okay, and change the speed to, let's just say 50%. So the title will come out slower than before. Okay, you notice how it extends. You could always adjust it later on by holding the top right here and adjust it. Okay, you could adjust the speed here. Shorter means faster, longer means, you know, slower. Okay, let's just say I'm happy with the speed. Now I want it to freeze at least to the end of the clip. So what I could do, I just go to, let's just say around right here. This is where I want the title to fade away. So at this part right here, the top part control the timing or the speed. The bottom part control the part of the clip. So for right now, this is freeze. It doesn't really change the slow or fast like you did right here earlier, where you could control the speed fast or slow. This one is just freeze point. So you just drag the freeze point, leave your play. There's a reason why I leave my playhead right here. That way I know the fade out and fade in of the end of the animation. So for instance, look at what I'm doing. So right here is where I want it to end. You notice the animation come out. So if I were to play this animation, it freeze. This pretty much the freeze point. Okay, so it gets to here, close to the end, and then look like it didn't load enough time. But anyway, it should fade out at this point right here. That's why I left the playhead right here. That way I know where is my ending at. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much how you can extend your title effect using retime control. So I hope this video helped. I'll see you guys next time.